Feeling a little less like yourself lately? Notice the ambition fading, the energy dipping, and maybe even a slight disconnect in the bedroom? It's not just getting older. There's a quiet, measurable change happening inside, and it's time to talk about your internal engine, your testosterone. What if I told you that reclaiming your vitality doesn't require drastic measures, but a few simple, powerful rituals? Stick around till the end. I've created a simple free guide that walks you through this in even more detail, including natural options I won't mention here. So many men I speak with, especially after 45, feel this profound yet subtle shift. You might feel a subtle erosion of your confidence, your strength, and your drive. You think, is this just my life now? The truth is, your body is simply responding to the relentless demands of the modern world. Stress, poor sleep, nutrient depletion, and environmental factors act like silent thieves, slowly siphoning away the very hormone that defines male vitality. This isn't a lecture about deficiencies. It's an invitation to heal, to nourish, and to build resilience from the inside out. Your body is ready to rebuild. It just needs the right, consistent signals. Comment below. What is the most frustrating change you've noticed in your energy or drive lately? Drop a yes if you felt this silent shift. The first ritual is the sleep sanctuary. This is the foundation. Testosterone is not produced on a 24-hour convenient schedule. The bulk of its release happens during your deepest, most restorative sleep cycles. If you treat sleep like an optional luxury, you are actively sacrificing your hormone production window. Your ritual is to make your bedroom a sanctuary. Lower the temperature. Aim for around 68 degrees. Ensure it is completely dark. Use blackout curtains if necessary. And eliminate all screens at least an hour before bed. This intentional act of creating a quiet, cool cave signals to your body that it is safe to enter the deepest healing state, optimizing the nightly production of vital hormones. The second ritual is the morning sun and earth connection. We talked about how chronic stress elevates cortisol, the hormone that directly suppresses testosterone. To calm this system, you need a daily reset that anchors you to the ancient rhythms of nature. Your ritual is simple. Step outside first thing in the morning and expose your eyes to the natural light for 5 to 10 minutes. If possible, walk barefoot on the grass or soil, the earth connection. This isn't just mood boosting, it's a direct message to your brain's master clock, resetting your cortisol rhythm. A healthy cortisol pattern means high in the morning, for energy, and low in the evening, for sleep and testosterone production. By connecting with the sun and earth, you are gently recalibrating this essential daily rhythm. What's one thing you can do to incorporate the morning sun reset this week? Share it in the comments. The third ritual is the strength signal. Endless punishing cardio can sometimes increase stress hormones, but targeted resistance training is a powerful, unambiguous demand your body is designed to meet. Your ritual should focus on compound movements, exercises that engage multiple large muscle groups like squats, deadlifts, presses, and rows, a few times a week. You don't need to live in the gym. Aim for intensity, but keep the total time focused and efficient, around 30 to 45 minutes. This creates a physiological demand, triggering the repair and growth response that is intricately linked to optimizing your natural testosterone production. It's an act of challenging your body, which it rewards with a surge of resilience and vitality. The fourth ritual is the hormonal diet blueprint. This is not a crash diet. It is about providing the precise building blocks your body needs. Testosterone is built from cholesterol, and its production relies heavily on micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D. Your ritual is to intentionally incorporate high-quality, whole food sources of healthy fats, avocados, fatty fish, olive oil, nuts, and lean, clean protein at every meal. Equally important is reducing refined sugars and processed carbohydrates, which trigger insulin spikes. Consistent, excessive insulin activity can directly interfere with the hormone cascade that leads to testosterone production. By eating for hormonal health, You are minimizing the conversion of testosterone into estrogen, an effect commonly seen in men with excess belly fat. The fifth ritual is the cold and heat contrast. Our bodies thrive on beneficial stress, short, intense challenges that force an adaptive response. The ritual of incorporating a cold plunge or even just a 30-second blast of cold water at the end of your shower, followed by a minute or two of warmth, is a powerful tool. The rapid temperature change activates your nervous system, improving circulation, boosting mood, and enhancing your body's overall capacity to handle stress. Furthermore, simple heat exposure, like a sauna or hot bath, when done mindfully, aids in detoxification and recovery, two critical processes that support a balanced hormonal environment. This is an ancient practice of resilience that translates directly into modern vitality. Have you tried mindful changes to your diet? What did you focus on? Let me know below. The sixth ritual is mindful presence. The single greatest drain on your hormonal health is chronic, unmanaged stress. When you are always reacting to emails, to the news, to other people's drama, your body keeps that emergency fat-storing hormone elevated. Your ritual is to cultivate mindful presence, even for just 5 minutes a day. This could be conscious breathing, a short meditation, or simply observing your surroundings without judgment. This intentional pause is the practice of telling your nervous system, I am safe. I am calm. This direct soothing message to the central command of your hormonal system is often the most profound shift a man can make to support his natural production of testosterone. These 6 rituals, sleep, sun, strength, nutrition, contrast, and presence, are not separate actions. They are woven together to create a powerful, self-reinforcing pattern of health. Think of them as 6 levers on your internal vitality engine. If you pull one, you get a small result. If you pull them all consistently, the engine roars back to life. This is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's the 2 steps forward, 1 step back, knowing that the momentum is always moving towards greater health. What often holds men back is the belief that this needs to be complicated or that they need to add yet another chore to their already busy lives. But these rituals are simply replacing old, draining habits with new, replenishing ones. You are not doing more, you are doing better. You are honoring the fundamental human needs that the modern world has forgotten. When you start living in alignment with your body's ancient wisdom, the rewards are immediate. Clearer thinking, deeper sleep, and a quiet surge of confidence and energy. I've compiled the complete step-by-step roadmap for all of this into a comprehensive resource. That resource is my free ebook, named 7 Natural Ways to Revive Your Energy and Confidence. Inside this guide, I dive deeper into the science, provide clear protocols for all the rituals we discussed, and most importantly, I list the proven natural options and supplements that you can use to dramatically amplify these results. It's the essential next step to reclaiming your vitality. I want you to have this tool. You can download your copy right now, absolutely free, through the link in the description below. Go grab it while it's available. If you found real value in this video, please hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it genuinely helps me reach more men who need this information. And subscribe to join our community so you don't miss the next powerful video.